Hey, good morning. How's your day starting?
Hey, good morning. It's going okay. I made coffee, but honestly, I think I made it too strong.
Oh no, the dangerous kind of coffee.
Yeah, the kind that makes you feel awake and nervous at the same time.
I know that feeling. I'm John, by the way, for everyone watching.
And Emma, nice to meet you, everyone.
So, what's on your mind today? You look like you're thinking about something.
Yeah, actually, I was helping my friend yesterday. She's learning English.
Oh yeah? How's that going?
Well, it's interesting. She told me something that made me really think.
What did she say?
She said, Emma, when I watch English movies, I understand almost everything. When I read, I'm fine. But when I try to speak, nothing comes out,
Wow, yeah, I hear that all the time.
right? So many people say that. And I started wondering why? Like, what's happening in the brain?
That's a really good question. I think there's actually a secret reason for it.
A secret reason. Leaning forward, tell me.
Okay, so it's not exactly a secret, but people don't really talk about it.
Okay, I'm listening.
When you understand English, like when you're listening or reading, you're using one part of your brain.
Uh huh.
But when you speak, you're using a totally different part.
Wait, really? Different parts?
Yeah, listening is passive. You're just receiving words. Your brain doesn't have to do much work.
So it's like I'm just catching the ball?
Exactly. You're catching. But speaking is like throwing the ball. You have to aim. You have to choose how hard to throw.
Oh, I get it. So speaking takes way more effort.
Way more. Because when you speak, you have to think of the word, put it in the right order, use the right grammar, all in like 2 seconds.
That sounds stressful.
It is, especially if you're not used to it.
So that's why people freeze up?
Exactly. Their brain gets overwhelmed. Too much to think about at once.
That makes so much sense. I never thought about it that way.
Yeah. And here's the thing. Most people spend all their time listening and reading, but they never practice speaking.
Right. So their brain never gets used to it.
Exactly. It's like watching cooking videos all day but never actually cooking.
Yes, perfect example. You know all the recipes, but you can't make the food.
Right, because you never practiced.
So practice is the key.
Practice is huge, but there's something else too.
What's that?
Fear.
Fear.
Yeah, people are scared to make mistakes.
Oh, I see. So even if they know the words, they're too nervous to say them?
Exactly. They think, what if I say it wrong? What if people laugh at me? What if I sound stupid?
That's really sad, because mistakes are normal.
I know, but people don't feel that way, especially with English.
Why especially English?
Because English is everywhere. TV shows, music, YouTube, so people feel like they should already be good at it.
Ah, so there's pressure.
Yeah, a lot of pressure. And pressure makes fear worse.
That's tough. I remember when I was learning French, I was so scared to speak.
Really? You?
Yes, I would practice sentences in my head for like 5 minutes before saying them out loud.
5 minutes? That's a long time.
I know. And then when I finally spoke, I forgot what I wanted to say.
See? That's the fear talking. It blocks everything.
So, how do you get past the fear?
You have to just do it anyway, even when you're scared.
Easier said than done, right?
Yeah, for sure. But here's what I tell people. Start small. Don't try to have a big conversation on day one.
What do you mean by small?
Like, just say one sentence out loud to yourself.
To yourself?
Yeah, talk to yourself in English.
Wait, seriously?
Seriously. It sounds weird, I know, but it works.
Like in the mirror?
In the mirror, in the car, in the shower, anywhere you're alone.
Hmm. And that helps?
It does, because there's no pressure. No one is listening. No one is judging.
That actually makes sense. You can make all the mistakes you want.
Exactly. And mistakes are how you learn.
Okay, so we have fear, we have practice. What else?
There's one more big thing.
What is it?
People focus too much on grammar.
Really? But isn't grammar important?
Yes, but not at first.
Wait, what do you mean?
Okay, think about it. When you were a baby, did you learn grammar first?
Mm, no, I just listened to my parents and copied them.
Right. You didn't think about rules. You just spoke. You made mistakes, and slowly you got better.
Oh, wow. So we should learn English the same way.
Exactly. Speak first, make mistakes, then learn the rules later to sound more natural.
That's really interesting. I wish I knew this when I was learning French.
It's never too late. You can still practice.
Maybe, if I find the courage.
See? Even you have fear.
Yeah, I guess I do. Okay, so let me ask you something.
Sure.
If someone is watching this right now and they understand us perfectly, but they can't speak English well, what should they do, step by step?
Good question. Okay, step one, stop being afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are your friend.
Exactly. Step two, practice speaking every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
And it's okay to talk to yourself?
Not just okay, it's one of the best ways to practice.
Okay. Step 3?
Step three, don't focus on grammar rules at first. Just try to communicate.
Get your ideas out. Don't worry about perfect sentences.
Right. And step four, find someone to practice with. A friend, a teacher, even online.
What if you don't know anyone?
There are apps, language exchange websites, even YouTube comment sections.
True. The internet is full of people learning English.
Exactly. So there's no excuse.
You're tough.
I just want people to succeed.
I know, me too. You know what's funny?
What?
I think a lot of people watching this right now understand every word we're saying right now.
Oh, for sure.
But if we asked them to talk about this topic, they'd freeze up.
Yep, that's the whole point. Understanding is easy. Speaking is hard.
But it doesn't have to stay hard forever.
No, not if you practice.
And make mistakes.
And stop being afraid.
I feel like we should give people homework.
Okay, what's the homework?
Today, before you go to sleep, say 5 sentences out loud in English.
5 sentences about anything.
It can be about your day, your feelings, what you ate for lunch, doesn't matter.
Just speak out loud.
And don't worry if it sounds weird.
Because it probably will sound weird at first. But that's okay. Weird is part of learning.
Weird is part of learning. I like that.
Okay, so if you're watching this and you understood everything we said, congratulations. Your listening is great.
But now it's time to work on speaking.
And remember, you don't need to be perfect.
You just need to start,
One sentence at a time.
one day at a time.
All right, I think that's good advice.
Yeah, I hope it helps someone.
Me too. Thanks for talking with me today.
Of course, this was fun.
It was. And thank you for watching, everyone.
Keep practicing. Don't give up.
You're doing better than you think.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.